You will watch the programs, the videos, then we can get in there and help you. And we got people doing amazing things. I can tell who did the courses and who did not, as I was stating earlier. If you put in my group chat or if you put in a Facebook group what goes on this line and it's the notary signature, you need training. If you don't know what a venue is, you need training. If you don't know how to change the venue, you need training. If you have a client standing in front of you and you're in Alabama, they're coming from California, and you tell them, oops, sorry, you got to go back to California, I'm an Alabama notary, you need training. There's no other way around that. I talk about the facts. What I talk about is not sexy. I always say that. It's not. It's not sexy. It's not sexy. Sexy is you can make $100,000 a year. I make $10,000 a month. I'm going to Jamaica. I'm going to Dubai. I drive a Benzo. That's sexy. I don't do sexy. I do practicality, and then the rest of it will come. Because if you don't know how to stamp a paper, I'm going to say it for the people in the back 3 times. Oh, look at all these dogs. Oh my God, Jeffrey. Get. It's like a pack of dogs just came in my front yard, y'all. Y'all know I'm terrified. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, how to start your notary business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. Y'all know I am terrified. But if you don't know how to stamp no paper, you don't know how to stamp the paper. I'm going to say it in incorrect English. If you don't know how to stamp no paper, you have no business. You got to know how to stamp. You got to know how to stamp. And most people shy away from that because it's too much work. They'll say, well, each state is different. You need to know your state. They don't want to be bothered with it because it's more work. But I already know you ain't going to be successful just knowing how to market. No, you have to know how to do the work. All right, let me get the rest of these questions. I'm going to get out of here. So I'm sorry. You took me on a tangent there, Michael. Beverly says, no, new Rotary, love your orange. Oh, new notary. Hey, welcome, Beverly. And thank you, girl. I know I was selling this orange myself. I actually wore it a couple weeks ago. I had a ponytail. So today I'm all in the natural here. But thank you. I appreciate it. And welcome. What state are you in, Beverly? And again, my training is nationwide because, as I just stated earlier, if your document comes from a different state, you need to know how to process it. So all that, it's got to be state specific. I have got to have training from somebody in Alabama. I have got to have training from somebody in Georgia. No. Are some things different? Yes. Excuse me, but the majority of it is, if you're a doctor, you're a doctor. Now, are there specialties to being a doctor? Yeah, but am I not going to use this doctor because he trained on the feet and I'm somewhere and I need some help, right? So if you're a notary, you're a notary. You need to know how to process anything, even a piece of toilet paper. If you've not watched the video, it's here on the channel. Hey, Lori W. What's up? What's up? Lori's in mentorship. Sandy says the gift cards. Oh, yeah. Corporate do gift cards all the time. That's true. Lori W says, can notaries accept tips? We did a whole video on that on this channel one Monday night, Lori. So I'm going to give you my answer and then you have your answer, okay? As a business owner and per your state. If your state handbook flat out say you cannot accept a tip, then you cannot accept a tip. And my business, I accept tips all day long. I even have a tip screen when they go to pay. Do I show it to every single person? I do not. I typically show my tip screen, like, for example, if I undercharge somebody or if I was trying to be super nice and then I realized, oh, you told me you had 2 documents, but you really have 5, but you were so sweet, I went ahead and did it. and I can tell you could pay more, just when people got money and when they don't. So I'll show them the tip screen. I'll let them hit that. I do not accept tips from loan signing jobs because I've been hired third party. I have accepted a gift card. Someone gave me like a Chick-fil-A gift card. We've been given like food before. So I'll accept something like that, pastries, candy, something like that from loan signing assignments. But I never accept money from a loan signing. General notary work and loan signing is two different things. Even though I'm going there representing my business, I don't take tips from loan signing companies. But we have a whole video that we did on this channel about accepting tips. I hope that helps you. Now, somebody else might say, I don't take tips under any circumstance. Don't. I don't see nothing wrong with it, though. It's no different than any other service provider. And again, I don't show the tip screen when I'm using Square to every single client. I base it on, like I said, typically, how did the other factors, did I underprice it? Did I underprice the services, or did something strange happen? Did it run longer than I thought it should run? That's another time I'll charge more too. Okay. Lori W says, say it, Kimmi. Jasmine, hey Jasmine. Jasmine's in mentorship. How are you, Jasmine? You have no business doing business. Yes. Very good. Beverly says, oh, Michigan. Hey, that's my home state. Go blue. So Lori W says, thanks. You're welcome. So any other questions, guys, before I get out of here? I know I've stayed a minute, but I didn't mind. I do have I think I gotta, it's 11 o'clock here. These early mornings are working for me. Are they working for you? Just let me know really quick. Because I said I might just start doing this before I go out. Because sometime at night, I'm tired. Y'all tired. So this right now, everybody's saying kind of fresh and engaged. I'm liking this. I might just do these morning pop-ups. Yeah. And there's a guy I listen to called David Shands. He calls his the morning meetup. So it might be like the notary pop-up, notary morning pop-up. I like that. I'm actually in Georgia, really. I'm in Georgia. I teach all 50 states nationwide. I don't know when you joined this live, but as I stated earlier, your documents come from all over the world. Okay? All over the world. So you need to know how to notarize. You just need to know how to do your job. And it's not going to be state specific. It's not. My documents come from all over. Michael says, I just happened to run into it. How do we get the schedule? Everything is at notaryeducatorsllc.com on the front page. Yep, check it out right quick. Oh, for my lives? Oh, for my lives? I don't have a schedule, Michael. I know I need to be more organized. That is not being a good YouTuber. I should really send out. I have, the email list though at Notary Educators LLC is one way. When I go live in the evening, I typically will put that there. And I would love to say, see me every day at 10 o'clock, but I actually am working. So I can't commit to a certain time. So I usually just do it when I can. But make sure you click the notification button here on YouTube. Everybody that's watching, if you have not subscribed, go back and watch the other videos that I have, and then click the notification button, and YouTube should let you know. Sorry about that. Sounds good. You're welcome, Lori. Yeah. What do you think about taking tips really quick, Lori? What's your thoughts really quick? And any other questions before we start wrapping up? We got about 2 minutes before we wrap up. Any other questions? And what's your thoughts on the tip thing, Lori? I'm just curious. Or anybody else right quick. What's your thoughts on the tip thing? So yeah, so we have a good time in mentorship. And again, I'm about slow cook Sunday dinners around here. I don't sell popcorn, microwave dreams. I just don't. Beverly says, just found you. Look at your oath videos, other videos. Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm glad you made it live. Yeah. Do a little more homework when you feel comfortable. Start with the book, or, you can always join mentorship, whatever you prefer. You can buy the individual courses, whatever that can get you in our atmosphere and get you going. Lori W says, I think it's okay if you know you did the service and people want to show their appreciation. Yeah. I mean, it's really just that simple. Again, and somebody else in their business plan might be like, nope, I don't want to tip. I'm not doing it. And you don't have to. You really don't. Terry been with us since day one. Terry, thank you. Love you too, girl. You be safe these holidays out there. Enjoy the fam. Where do I find your book? Yep, Notary Educators LLC is the third little block under the book collection. You'll see it. Or if you do the little hamburger, the 3 things on the side, the book collection. So you get the book for your state, and then also the pricing book, the specialty general notary book. A lot of people like to have the books on hand. So totally up to you however you want to connect. Well, I am going to head out, guys, because I do have a 12 o'clock. But I'll probably be back again tomorrow morning. I just love this morning thing. I'm telling you, you guys are so engaging. All right, Terry says, I take them whatever they want to give. It's a blessing. I know that's right. I'm taking all my blessings. I don't leave nothing on the table. All right, guys. Well, until next time, on behalf of Notary Educators, LLC.com, and Notary Life with Kimmi, as the educator over here, the head educator, number one, I'm going to say bye, guys. It's always a pleasure, okay? Oh, you're welcome, Beverly. See you guys. Bye, Lori. Y'all have a good night. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'm so used to being on at nighttime. All right, Sandy. Peace out. Bye, guys.